G'day, in this video I'll be cooking delicious Thai curry puffs. These are a very Moorish appetizer for your next dinner party, afternoon drinkies or other social get-togethers. The key ingredient is the puff pastry. This is hard to make yourself and is very cheap from your local supermarket. Get the unsweetened one for savoury dishes. One pack of 6 sheets will make 72 curry puffs. The next key ingredient is mild or sweet curry powder. This can be found in the Asian section of your local supermarket or from your Asian grocers. Ingredients you'll need is sweet potatoes, normal potatoes and onion, pork or chicken mince, either will be fine for this dish, soy sauce and sugar. Peel and dice the onion. Peel and dice and parboil the potato and sweet potato. You'll want these to be partially cooked. They're not hard but not completely soft either. Make sure you drain the water when they're done. Then in a pan add some vegetable oil. Heat and add the pork or chicken mince. Stir through till it's almost cooked. Add your onions and stir them through well. Then add your parboiled diced potato and sweet potato in equal amounts and stir them through. Remember, it's important to have parboiled these first. They should have some texture, not raw but not completely cooked. And add a spoonful of soy sauce. Add the curry powder. It differs between brands, so put 1 spoon in first, stir through and taste. If it's not strong enough, add a 2nd spoon. Add in a little sugar, then stir through. Continue stirring while cooking. Turn the heat off and let it rest. While it's cooling, we need to prepare the puff pastry. We need to divide it into 9 squares. The following procedure will help. Take a card about 1/3 the width of the puff pastry sheet. We'll use this to mark and cut the sheet. First, mark it. Do this marking across all 3 sections of the sheet. Then rotate the sheet by 90 degrees and mark it through for all 3 sections again. Then we'll cut it through all the layers, including the plastic separators. Careful of your fingers. Don't peel away the plastic separators, these are important. Cut them down to individual blocks. This is the right size for your curry puffs. Take one sheet, peel back the plastic layer. In our case it's blue. Hold the small sheet in your hand. Place a spoonful of the curry mixture into the middle of the sheet. Fold it in half and pinch it along the edges. Do this for both sides. It should be sealed on all sides. Then fold one corner in. Then move your finger across and fold in the next part. Do this working along the pastry. Then work round the next corner. Flip twisting pastry together. Finally, the curry puff should be sealed on both sides. Take the plastic separator and wrap the curry puff. This separator is used to stop the completed curry puffs from sticking together, so they can be easily stacked. As you do them, you'll get quicker, so don't worry, it'll take no time to do them all. You can cook them fresh or put a lid on the container and put them in the freezer for another time. You can then unfreeze and cook them as you need them. This is an excellent dinner party or afternoon drinky snack with friends. Cook. Heat some oil, remove the plastic separators and place the curry puff into the hot oil. Remember, the separators don't taste nice, so remove them before putting the curry puffs in the oil. Turn them when they start getting golden brown. Cook them till they're golden brown on both sides. Remove them and place them on a paper towel to cool. The paper towel will absorb the excess oil. You can also cook them in an oven or an air fryer. Though, if you don't baste them first with a little oil, they'll be lighter in colour when you cook them. Either way, they taste great. A serving suggestion is to include some sweet chili sauce for dipping. The beautiful music in this video is by Scandinavianz. Please show them some love by visiting them on YouTube, liking and subscribing. This is another quick cook video to share the lovely food that my beautiful wife Carla cooks. If you find this video too quick, then please leave a comment and we'll create a slower paced video for you. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends so we can produce more content like this for you. Uru!